In this video, we are going to be looking at your assignments for today. If we go into the text assignment, I want you to save your drawing just like you have been. You are going to set your units to 1/8 inch and put it within your folder just like you normally do. You're going to create some layers just like you did, and I am going to have you do a little bit of standard text styles. The first part of this, you're going to create some different text styles and you're going to call them these particular names. You're going to set the notes as your current style once you do that, and you do that in the box for the text. And you're going to type this. Now, I don't have this in capital letters. You can either type it in capital letters or upper and lowercase. I do want the column width to be 3 inches, and I want the left corner to be at 10,10, which is your absolute point. Then here on this one, you're going to use tabs. This is not columns. This is using the tab key on your keyboard to set the spacing for that. And that's one thing I did not show you. So let's go back in here. If I come in here and double click, you'll see up here at the top I have little markers for dimensions. If I do this, I'm adding tabs. So if I wanted to tab this over on my keyboard, now I can do that. I can set my tabs to go where I want them to go. If we go back to the assignment, then you're going to change some justification. You're going to type the same thing again. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to add some symbols onto the text. You're going to do some bulleting. Then you're going to change the bulleting from the bullets to letters. You're going to do some more single line text and do some things here. The second part of the assignment is we're going to start working on our title block for our final project. Now you'll notice on this one that I have set a lot of the colors to white. So in this case you are going to be using white. You're going to continue to add these lines. I highly suggest you use your offset tool to do this. It's going to be a lot simpler to do it this way. Then you're going to come in and add this text. Now it's very important that you set the text up correctly and do what it says. These need to align this direction, align this direction, align this direction, align this direction. I will be checking for those kind of things. You do have a filled text over here. You're going to put that filled text in, and then you're just going to use your rotate tool to rotate it. Once you get done, you're going to submit both of these. The total project is worth 100 points. So make sure that you submit all of it. The first part is worth 36 points, and the title block is worth 64 points. Again, make sure you save it as the correct name. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.